Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this laptop. So to do this, right click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, go to power and sleep settings, then select expand energy saver tab, and to manually enable it, switch this toggle to the right. Otherwise, you can switch the value right here in order to set the battery level at which your laptop has to be put on a battery saver. If you select always, your laptop will go into battery saving mode once you plug out the charging cable. And by switching this toggle at the bottom, you can toggle your screen brightness lowering when energy saver is on. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.